Hey guys. Okay, so this is the second part to the Caroline Christiansen travel, kind of like the what you need to know before you contact me. So the last video that I did was about just knowing what you need to have prepared when you are going to meet with me, which means you've already reached out and we've already connected. So these are the things you need to do before that. So let's back up a little bit and let me tell you all the different ways that you can connect with me. So the first is going to be my website. So that's www.carolinechristiansen.com. That takes you just to my main website, and then up at the top you'll see my travel and also my travel journal, and that's going to tell you places and show you places that I've been, reviews of my stays of different resorts and hotels. But backing up to just the plain travel page, you can go to carolinechristiansen.com/travel, or you can just go to my main website and follow the link to my travel page. That's going to be a great place to go if you are on your desktop or you have your phone and you want to have access to all of my different forms. And the things on that page are going to be more of like a description, a little bit of what I do. My Concierge Planning Services are listed on the website, as well as my travel consultation form, which I'm going to need you to fill out before we meet. That's going to tell me a little bit about you, a little bit about your party, budget, all that kind of stuff. And then another link on my website is going to be a link to my Calendly page. And that is if you are ready, you filled out your form, you are ready to talk, travel, you're going to just schedule a time with me. And on the Calendly page, when you click on it from my website, it will give you the different descriptions of what you're signing up for and how much time I've allotted for those conversations. So my calendar will be up so that you can schedule a time with me to talk about travel. And then the next place that you can get in touch with me is if you are on social media, specifically Instagram, because that's a lot of my business comes from Instagram and social media. You can click on the link in my bio, and that's going to take you to my link tree, which is going to have just really everything that I do. So it's going to have all of my travel stuff. It's going to have a link to my YouTube page, where you can go in and you can watch some of my videos. It's a place where I send my clients when they are getting ready for their trip, because I have different prep videos and tutorials on there, along with like videos like these. So my link in my bio is really going to just show you all the different options. So it's going to take you to Linktree, and everything that you could possibly want or see or need is on that page. And that is mostly for people that are on their phones on social media. And then another great way is just to message me. Go on my page, either Caroline Christiansen Travel if you're on Instagram, if you're on Facebook, Caroline Christiansen Travel. Even if you're on TikTok, you can hit the message me page and it will take you to an email that has my one of my emails that you can contact me directly. And then I can send you the pages and the forms and whatnot that you might need. But those are 3 great ways to connect with me. And then another way, let's just go old school and just email me. So my email is caroline@glassslipperconcierge.com. And I know that can be pretty tough to spell for some people, but once you get the hang of it, it's not hard. Plus, I'm gonna have a link down here that'll say caroline@glassslipperconcierge.com. That is just another great way to get in touch with me. Just go ahead and just email me, and I will send you the forms, and we can go ahead and talk and connect, and then let's get on the phone. Let's just go ahead and start planning. So that's before you know what you need to have prepared for our first meeting. Let's just connect first. And so technically this should be part 1 of this series, but it is part 2 of the series because that's just how I work. So Anyways, I love you guys, and I'm super excited to talk to you. If you're ready to travel, or if you have upcoming travel plans and you need help, just reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to help you out. Let's go ahead and start building a relationship, and yeah, I would love to help you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the lovely weather this week. It's not so hot here in Tennessee. I hope it's a little bit cooler where you are. If you are affected by the hurricane, maybe I should say hurricanes, heading towards the East Coast and the Florida Panhandle, you guys just be careful and be safe, and know that I love you, and I'm excited to meet with you, and I can't wait to plan your future travel. So I love you. Bye.